be talking about what a UTEP Edge course is and how to effectively utilize it. So first we're going to talk about the course syllabus and your UTEP Edge statement and advantages that are listed within the course. So when you open the course, the students will see the Welcome to Class section. They'll be able to look at your syllabus, and then within every Edge course there are two documents. The first one being this is a UTEP Edge course, and the second one being UTEP Edge Advantages. So when we open up the syllabus, you can see that there is a section stating that it is a UTEP Edge course, part of the UTEP Edge initiative. It allows students to go to the UTEP Edge landing web page, as well as providing an email and phone number for them to contact regarding any questions. Every course focuses on a specific set of UTEP Edge advantages. The instructor can either choose independently or work with their assigned instructional designer to figure out which Edge advantages best suit their course material. For this example course, the three Edge advantages are communication, critical thinking, and problem solving. So when we open up UTEP Edge advantages, that lists the course goals for the specific course, and then it lists the three Edge advantages for this course. Under this is a UTEP Edge course, this is a generic statement regarding what UTEP Edge is for students, as well as UTEP Edge video. We also have our course calendar, which have the assignments are UTEP Edge aligned, and what that means is that when students go into to look at the course calendar, they're able to see which assignments or discussions are aligned with the UTEP Edge advantage, and Edge goals should broadly relate to the learning objectives, and like I said, should be clearly defined for students. Okay, and then so our first example, we're going to look at the module learning goals. For every week or every module, you have a learning goals document. This simply states what the student should be able to have learned or accomplished after the week's assignments and assessments. So for this one, they're supposed to be able to explain positively or what positively impacts student retention, and then they should be able to explain why student engagement is vital. So likewise, we also outline that in this module, the UTEP Edge advantages which students will be utilizing or gaining are critical thinking and communication. So when we go into a discussion post, we list the UTEP Edge advantage that they're going to be developing their communication skills. So we have this Edge advantage encourages students to reach mutual understanding through the effective exchange of information, ideas, and feelings. We have the objective section, which will list the objectives of that lesson. So in this example, that would be the student should write in a professional academic voice, and they should engage in the discussion with the entire class. And then we have the instructions for the individual discussion. And then over here, you can see that the discussion assignment itself is aligned with the goals and standards of the UTEP Edge initiative. So for this one, communication, students will just demonstrate effective communication strategies appropriate to purpose, genre, context, and audience. And that can be done in this menu under category, Edge learning outcomes, and that will list each of the UTEP Edge goals. So for example, this one is our communication one. Students will demonstrate effective communication strategies. But then over here, we have students will gain or will articulate gains in self-confidence by identifying, evaluating, and building on their talents. And that relates back to the confidence skill or UTEP Edge advantage. Example uh, assignment is the same, except it focuses on critical thinking instead of communication. So in this assignment, again, it lists the edge advantage, it explains it. You have the objectives and then the assignment instructions. We also have every edge guideline has an appropriate icon to use with it so that students are able to rapidly identify and understand which advantage they're gaining. And just like the last assignment, this one is aligned with the UTEP Edge goal. Uh, so students will analyze information from multiple relevant sources that reflect contrasting viewpoints and will articulate a well-reasoned conclusion or position. Every UTEP Edge class contains the UTEP Edge survey, and this is a survey that can be inserted either into the middle or the end of a course, and instructors can offer extra credit that can be effective in improving student responsiveness to this survey. So this example course is not included, but if I pull it up and we look at it, it will show all of the UTEP Edge classes that currently are actively participating in the initiative. We have effectively a student survey that's going to ask what advantages were integrated, how effective was it, and how the student perceived, how effective the student thought the class was. And that's about it.